friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making air fry apple crisp. For this easy recipe, we need 2 apples. You can either use 2 small apples or 1 large apple. We just need to fill up this little pan that fits inside the air fryer. I'm also going to use cinnamon. And for the topping for the apple crisp, I'm going to use quick oats and maple syrup. So that's all the ingredients, very simple. So first I'm going to use a non-stick cooking spray to spray the pan that fits inside the air fryer so apples don't stick. And if you'd rather not use the spray, you can also brush it with butter or oil. And now I'm going to cut 2 apples into small cubes. It's totally up to you whether you want to peel them or not. I'm not going to peel them, just keeping it simple. So I'll cut it into slices and cut the slices into small cubes. So now I'll put all the apple pieces in a pan. And now I will sprinkle them with 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And now I'm going to put apples in the air fryer. So I'll cook the apples first, and then once they're cooked, I'll add the topping and cook it some more. So let's put the apple in the air fryer. Put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's mix the apples to just kind of flip them over so they cook more evenly. And put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. So the apples are fully cooked, and if you try them, you'll see that they're soft. So it looks so delicious. And now I'm going to make the topping. So for the topping, I'm going to use 1/2 cup of quick oats. And mix it with 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And now combine it. And just drop it by the spoon over the apples. So this is a crumbled topping, so it doesn't have to look perfect, just kind of put it on top. Okay, so now let's put the apple crisp in the air fryer. And now let's set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and let's set the time to 4 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the apple crisp. Look at that, it looks amazing. Perfectly baked apples with crispy oatmeal topping. So easy to make, super simple, and looks amazing. Let me take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. This looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. Delicious soft apple and crispy topping. You're going to love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!